How's it going, everyone? So when I started this channel back in August of 2023, I never imagined that I'd even find 100 people who would watch the content that I was creating here. And now just a little over 2 years later, we've now grown to nearly 3,000 subscribers and nearly 250,000 views channel-wide, and to me that is just insane. So first, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported the channel over the past 2 years. And whether you subscribed to the channel, you've left a like on a video, you've left a comment on a video, or gave me some kind of feedback in the comment section or via email, or you shop my affiliate links and coupon codes that are in the description of all my videos. However you choose to support this channel, I would not be able to make any of these videos happen without your support. So again, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has supported this channel and been a part of this community the last 2 years. So thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. And for those of you who may not know, YouTube is not my full-time job. I actually have a full-time job already, and I create all the content for this channel in my free time outside of work. And I have been doing so by myself since day one. So without further ado, here's the big news. It is now time for KI5IRE Ham Radio to say 7-3 for the final time. So just to be clear, I'm actually not going anywhere, and neither is the channel. I'm actually just rebranding. So why am I rebranding now? Well, one of the things I was actually most hesitant about when I started this channel was using my call sign and the name, because I knew that eventually I may want to apply for a vanity call sign. And now that I've been working on learning Morse code and doing some contesting, I'm planning to apply for a vanity call sign that is faster and easier to say both phonetically and in CW. So my current call sign, KI5IRE, or Kilo India 5 India Romeo Echo, is about 14 syllables to say phonetically and about 16 characters in CW. So when I'm doing contesting or POTA or SOTA and I'm saying my call sign either phonetically or I'm keying it in CW, that is a mouthful to say. And not only is it a mouthful to say, it's very slow to say and really just gets tiring pretty fast. So I haven't applied for a vanity call sign yet. I'm still in the process of trying to pick a new one. So it will still be KI5IRE on the air, just a little bit longer. But I decided to go ahead and rebrand now, so it's not a last minute project to throw together when I change my call sign here in the near future. And also so you guys can get used to seeing the same face, just with a new name, new look, and eventually a new call sign on the air. So what am I rebranding to? I'm rebranding to Ham Radio Headquarters, or Ham Radio HQ is probably going to be the more official name for the channel. Now I picked the name Ham Radio HQ because my goal for this channel is to ultimately become a hub where anyone interested in the amateur radio hobby can come for a wide variety of ham radio related content, whether you're new to the hobby or not. And whether it's content about getting started in the hobby, gear reviews, DIY projects, news topics related to the hobby, ham fests, or even just my own journey in amateur radio, I want this channel to be a place for all of that. Now, just to be clear, none of the content that I'm currently making is going to be changing. I'll still be making the same videos that I'm currently making now, just with a new name and new look. And hopefully that'll leave some room not only to further grow this channel, but also to help grow this community even more. So along with the new name, I have also been working on building a whole new set of graphics that will hopefully give my videos a more cleaner and consistent look. So things like editing, graphics, lower thirds, music, all of these are things that I am hoping to be more consistent with, in addition to a few other things behind the scenes. Again, I produce all this content by myself, and I'm going to be continuing to do so. So sometimes things just may not end up being consistent just due to time constraints and that sort of thing. Or sometimes I just want to try some new things and experiment a little bit. So in addition to your support, your feedback is also important to me. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of the new name and logo? What kind of content would you like to see more of? What could I be doing better overall? Or if you just want to tell me that I'm a lid, let me know down in the comments section below. So I will be changing the name of the channel right after this video goes live. Again, not much else is changing. Same content, same face, just with a new name and new look. And by the way, one thing that won't be changing is the outro to my videos. So with that said, thank you guys all so much for watching as always. And if you have not done so already, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And until next time guys, 73.